In this video, I'll show you how to load paper inside of your Epson ET-2400 EcoTank. And by the way, this printer takes a maximum of 100 sheets of paper in the paper tray in the back and can output a maximum of 30 paper on the front paper tray. So let's get started. So on the rear of the printer, you're gonna notice there's a small door. You just need to open it slightly like this. And then you should see a gray plastic tray here. Place your finger behind it and then lift it all the way up. Make it rest on its back like this. You can release it then. You'll notice that there's two blue guides over here. You'll need to move these blue guides accordingly to the size of the paper you're gonna input. In my case, I have some basic letter size paper, but if you're trying to print on envelope, you'll need to bring these together like this. In my case, since it's letter size, I just have to pull them all the way out. Take your sheets of paper, again, you can put a maximum of 100, and you just need to let them glide inside. Make sure that these two blue guides are not squeezing the paper. They should be barely touching it. It's just so that the paper stays aligned when it enters the printer. Once you've done this, you can close this small flap over here. And now on the front of the printer, you're gonna pull the paper tray that is over here simply by sticking your finger like this and then pulling it out. Once you reach the maximum, there's a small flap over here. You're gonna swing it, because if you do not do this, the paper will come out and will fall on the floor. They won't stop at the end of this paper tray. So again, just make sure that when you print, you don't go over 30 pages on this output paper tray. If not, there's a risk of paper jam. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If you want to get some paper for your printer, check the Amazon affiliate links in the description down below. This is a great way to support my channel. If not, like, subscribe, and leave a comment as well.